And we are live. Hello, mga kwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening here sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. To those who will watch later or will watch the replay, thank you, thank you, thank you. So welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Laurie, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Their business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So today's kwento is brought to you by, but I'm not sponsoring this, not sponsored but it's my funny first time experience with Temu. So quick disclaimer lang po, this story is based on my personal experience. Temu is a legit apps and offers many good deals, pero ito talaga yung napa-add to cart ako ng sobra. So yung kwento ko, so ayun nga, first time ko sa Temu, tapos may nakita akong promo na $1 for 3 gifts. And ang saya, di ba? Tapos may nakita akong four level kitchen cabinet worth 3,600 pesos. So, yun, makukuha ko lang daw siya for just 1 peso. So, sa isip-isip ko, uy, still yun, add to cart na nga ako makakwento. But wait, plot twist. Parang makukuha ko yung cabinet. Para pala makuha ko yung cabinet, kailangan ko munang mag-order ng mga other items. So, ayun nga, isa-isa akong nag-add ng mga items, nag-add ako ng add to cart ng mga hindi ko kailangan talaga, spoon, mug, ilaw, hammer, yung mga um, gamit sa bahay na hindi ko naman kailangan pa agad-agad. So, umabot na ako ng 2,000 pesos dun sa cart ko. And then, tapos to claim the 1 peso cabinet pala, kailangan ko pa daw mag-top up ng 3,600 pesos. Pero wait lang, hindi ba 3,600 pesos talaga yung presyo ng gusto kong bilhin sa umpisa pa lang? Ay, tapos yun, ang ending, I canceled everything. I refunded the order. So, since ginamit ko is Singapore dollars, so medyo nalugi lang ako ng konti sa conversion ng Singapore to peso nung nirefund ko. But still, lesson learned. So, yung lesson, sometimes in life, lalo na sa business, we fall for shiny offers, di ba? Parang mura lang, instant result, fast income, pero minsan hindi malinaw yung system. You end up paying more in money, energy, and time. That's why I always tell people in our digital business, we don't sugarcoat. So you may pay the 149 USD one time to understand the full system. You get access for 30 days and attend the live coaching and decide with clarity if this is the right path for you. So if not, you may refund the 149 USD within 30 days, no questions asked. Hi, Lisa and Larry. Thank you for the like and watching. So, for the $149 with their business, walang paila, walang add to cart traps. Just a clear roadmap and real support. Hello, Lisa. I-show ko yung comment mo. Oh, hindi ko siya ma-show. Ayun. Hello, sis. Hello. Ayan. O, diba? Loading pa siya. Nag-reply ako, hello, sis. O, diba? Nakita ko yung comment. So, mga kakwento, so if you are tired of chasing 1 peso deal that you end up that it ends up costing more, maybe it's time to stop guessing and start growing. I'm here to help you. Message me anytime, baka ito na yung cabinet of opportunity na talagang tama para sa'yo. O, diba? So, thank you for spending your time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live sa next episode ng Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real. Diba? Hindi ko siya hindi ko ma-hide. Ang comment Lisa. Ayan, i-show ko pala siya. Nice topic of yours. Salamat, Lisa. Yan yung experience ko sa Temu kasi hindi ako makapag Shopee dito sa Philippines nung bago ako dito, bagong dating ako diyan. Makapag-Shopee kasi ano siya, hindi ko ma-access yung Shopee Philippines. Lagi siyang sa Shopee Singapore. Ayan na, tumatawag ng aking mother. So, see you on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more, just message me or sign up on my website at www.loryramos.com. Good night and God bless. Matawag na mother ko. Bye-bye. See you again on my next live.